Hey, getting the verification required error on Discord can be super annoying, right? You try to log in, but it just won't let you through. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix the Discord verification required error in 2026. Let's get it sorted. First, make sure the issue isn't on Discord's side. Sometimes verification servers can have problems. Head over to the Discord status page and see if there are any outages affecting verification. If you're using Discord in a browser, corrupted cache or cookies can block verification. Go into your browser settings and clear your cache and cookies. Then reload Discord and try again. VPNs or proxies can sometimes trigger this error. Try turning them off temporarily. Discord may block logins from certain VPN IP addresses. If it still won't verify, try logging in from a different Wi-Fi network, mobile data, or even another device. Sometimes the network you're on is being flagged for security reasons. Make sure your email is verified. Discord often blocks access until your account email is confirmed. Check your inbox and spam folder for a verification email from Discord. On the app, cached data can also trigger verification errors. Close Discord, then clear the cache. On Windows, press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, delete the Discord folder. On mobile, clear cache from app settings. Finally, make sure Discord is fully updated. If it's still acting up, uninstall and reinstall the latest version. Fresh installs usually fix stubborn verification errors. And that's it. One of these fixes should get you past the verification required error and back into Discord. If this guide helped, check out my other quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.